So hello friends, it's me Akash Saxena and you are watching the English Journey from here on this channel, English Journey from here. So you have to do for your English speaking daily speak. Okay, you have to just daily speak fast but speak easily anything. Okay, so the topic is today's what? Speak daily but speak fast. Okay, without speaking, without extra speaking, you can't learn speak anything in English. So you have to daily speak continuously and day by day. Okay, so there are many things you have to speak just like me. I am speaking anything. I don't know how I'm speaking good or bad. So without extra thinking, you have to just speak anything. Speak. Okay, just like here are some students. Here some many people are staying in never and they speaking. That's why I'm shooting the video and trying to speak English and he's making a noise. So please avoid that the things. Okay, so you have to just focus on my word because the word is important, because just you have to speak too much for your improving your English. Okay, so I understand what you have to do for your daily. Okay, you have to speak fastly but not speak fast. You have to speak daily, daily by daily, daily by daily. When you will do one thing daily, so you can be perfect at that things which you are doing right now and daily. Okay, on regular basis, just like I will give an example of, if your handwriting is not good, if a small children and want to write anything but in the beginning he don't get too much good writing. Okay, and after that he'll writing daily by daily, daily by daily, he writes daily. So after some time he get too much writing and after some time he gets very good write. Okay, so this is a basic rule apply on the English, and after that you view yourself and you are come here to here. Okay, when you will come here to here, and how you can improve your English for speaking daily, not just one day, 2 day, 1 month, 2 month. If you will spending 1 year or 1 year 6 months in your English, so I hope you can easily speak too much English and you can easily understand anything in English, just like you are watching the English movie, English cartoon, English songs. So you are able to understand that things which they are speaking on the YouTube, on the video. Okay, so this is the that's why the English is important, and in the future the English will improve. English will become very useful thing. So just you have to start from today, from now. Okay, as much as possible you have to start your English and just speak and try and listen and read and watch many things in English, but English thing avoid Hindi. Okay, for 5 6 month 1 year you have to avoid the Hindi language, just you have to speak and focus on English. Okay, because the main focus is our is what English speaking. You have to learn easily and you have to focus just English speaking, just like me. I where I anywhere I was going, I am going. So at that time I just think in English and speak in English in my mind. Okay, so that's why I am learning English. Okay, now my English is not good, not too much good. I'm just trying to speak. I'm trying to speak, and you can feel now I am studying in many sentence. Okay, in between many sentence, but no matter, without thinking that, but just you have to speak. Okay, if you will do daily by daily, so you can improve easily English. Otherwise there is no any way for learning English. Okay, I think you got my point. You have to, if you have to learn, so you have to daily speak. Just you have to eating daily the food. Okay, you have to bathing daily, you have to sleeping, you are sleeping daily. So just like it, you have to add English speaking in your daily life. Okay, just you are bathing daily, you are bathing, you are sleeping, you are eating, you are playing, you are using your phone, and just you have to add English in your daily life. Just like you have to speak 30 minutes, 20 minutes daily. Okay, you have to just speak, just think. Okay, and just watch the videos. Okay, with the help of these things you can easily speak English. Okay, so now I'm English, I am learning English and trying to speak English with this way which I am telling you, which I told already this in this video. Okay, so I hope you can understand, and we will meet the next video. Just you have to try. I'm trying, and after some time I will speak very well English, and now I'm studying, and after, I hope after some time I will not stuck, I will only clearly speaking. Okay, so okay, bye, it's enough for today. So we will meet next video. So bye bye, take care, keep learning.